Today I want to show you a technology skill that revolves around a website called Padlet. I was first introduced to Padlet through a training that I attended at my school when we were learning more about how to use our iPads and Apple technology. Padlet is really easy to find. You just go to padlet.com and you have to create an account. And once you create a login, your opening page should look similar to what you see right now on mine. Padlet is really cool because I love the little sayings that they will put, throughout your Padlet. Because mine under here says, "Hi Susan, gentle reminder, you're beautiful." I think that's really cool, especially for students. So Padlet is basically a place where you can go and create, questions for students. You can facilitate discussions. And it doesn't just have to be students, it can be adults as well. So it can be used for administrators, and people that are higher up besides just a teacher. So let's say I wanted to go and make a new Padlet. I'm going to click Make a Padlet, and you get all types of different ways that you can customize your Padlet. I'm just going to select Grid over here, the orange one, and it's going to create a Padlet for me. So this is my Padlet. I can change the title over here. Let's say I wanted to change it to 8th English, just because that's what I teach. And let's see, I can go down here. You can change your wallpaper, your color scheme, all types of really cool things here. You can click here to allow for comments, which is very important because your students won't, or whoever is commenting won't be able to unless you have allowed comments. You also want to come down here on the bottom. If you look on the very bottom down here, it says content filtering. This is really, really cool for teachers especially, because sometimes students are unpredictable and you think they're going to answer a question correctly and they might not. So I always click require approval so that I can just kind of look at, someone's reply quickly and approve it before it's, on there for everyone else to see. And then you can also filter out profanity, which I think is really cool as well, so you don't have to worry about that coming up. So once I have done all of that, I'm going to click next up here at the top right hand screen, and it says you're all set. Start posting. So let's say I was using this in the classroom and I wanted to create a question for my students. So you're going to click the right hand plus sign, and then this little square will come up. So I'm going to title mine writing. Let's say I wanted to do writing discussion. I can spell today. Okay, so, and let's say I wanted to do a question about argument writing. So I might say, what are all of the necessary elements of argument writing? Okay, and I'm going to click this. And then you can also, I want to show you, you can come down here and you can click on that arrow and you can pick files from your computer and actually upload images, documents, all types of things too. So I thought that was really cool. You can add pictures. You can upload all types of things. Your students can draw there. So it's really neat. All right, so I have comments allowed, and I'm going to add a comment. So let's say I was a student and I wanted to answer this. I would say one necessary element is a claim. Now I'm going to post it. So then other students can chime in, and it just facilitates great discussion in a classroom. I have used Padlet in many different ways since discovering it, and my students really, really enjoyed Padlet. So I wanted to show this to you guys. This is a technology, skill that you can use in many, many different ways, and I really like it because it allows for creativity. You can use it as a teacher, you can use it as an administrator, as a college professor. There are many, many different ways that Padlet could actually be used. And that's what I think is really cool about it, is that it is so flexible. So I hope you learned something today. I hope you now will go and try Padlet, log in, create an account, play around with it, and use it in your area of expertise.